We bought the Henry bagged corded cylinder vacuum cleaner for our home because it offers powerful suction, making it easy and quick to clean. But beyond household cleaning, here are some reasons why Henry is also an excellent vacuum for use in cars. It comes with a hard, small brush, and combined with its powerful suction, it makes cleaning the car quick and easy. It also includes a thin extension, ideal for reaching narrow spaces in your car. It has a softer brush that is perfect for cleaning your screen or dashboard. Finally, the long 10-meter power cable makes it convenient to reach your car on the driveway without needing an extension lead. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.